Hey folks! Seiri, seiton, seiso, seiketsu, shitsuke. What do these strange words have to do with lean construction? I'm Danny Small, the Engineer-Vator, and you're about to find out. Thanks for joining me for the next episode of Principles of Lean Construction. Today we're talking about the concept of 5S. When I was a young man, I lived for 2 years in Japan, where I immersed myself in the culture and became fluent in the Japanese language. So needless to say, I'm a fan of Japan. I'm a Japan fan. Well, the 5S concept was developed by Toyota Motor Corporation of Japan in the latter half of the 19th century and was a huge part of their eventual domination of the auto industry. It was developed to help them enable just-in-time manufacturing. It's also known as the visual workplace concept. Basically, the idea is to organize a workplace such that it's easy to be efficient and productive in that workplace. And the 5 steps of organizing that workplace all happen to start with the letter S, both in Japanese and in English. So the first step in the first S of 5S is seiri, which means sort. The second S is seiton, which is straighten. The third is seiso, which is shine. The fourth, seiketsu, which is standardize. And the fifth is shitsuke, which means sustain. Now there are several very important benefits to the 5S system. First of all, safety. It helps you be much more safe in your workspace. Secondly, it aids in compliance with OSHA standards. Third, it helps you to be much more productive. Fourth, it makes additional improvements to your business much easier. And fifth, it helps you to easily identify and eliminate waste from your operation. Over the next few episodes, I'm going to be delving into each of these steps of 5S and explaining what each of them means and how they contribute to the visual workplace and a much more efficient and productive space for your business. If you've ever used 5S before, let me know. Tell me about your experiences. And as always, if you like this video, give me a like. If you'd like to see more like it, give me a follow. And if you'd like to talk about 5S and how I can implement it for you in your business and make you more efficient, give me a shout. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, stay safe and keep building. Bye-bye.